Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead with a tea break. It is just past, excuse me, it is just past lunch hour on September 2nd, 2018, and we are home. Now don't let that confuse you. You're going to see some more vacation videos this week, but we are home. And I'm so tired. I mean, it's one thing to go on vacation and have a lovely time and visit and that. And we had a wonderful time. And I actually slept really well and stuff like that. But it's still not home. As closest to home as I can get. That coach is as close to my house on wheels as I can get. But it's still not my own bed, you know, all that stuff. You know what I mean? So it's really good to be back home again. Hey, it's good to be back home again. Sometimes this old house feels like a long lost friend. Um, this is the longest we've ever lived in one house, and I got some sun, by the way. And it really, because how he's rebuilt it from the literally from the foundation to the roof, it's our home, and I can't see me really living anywhere else or getting too comfortable anywhere else. Anyway, it's been a great holiday. Like I said, I'm pretty tired, but Daddy's already planning his next run out to the raceway. Because I think there's one more race before winter. So I think he'll be going to that one alone. As much as I loved it, I had a blast. But, you know, I'm not fond of mosquitoes. And because it was supposed to rain today, it did rain today, they canceled the races today. So they had to get them all done yesterday. And it was constant. It was constant. Even though we were at the other end of the track, of the drag strip, so that it was pretty quiet, but it still was the low rumble. It's funny though, I can sleep through that. I can sleep through that or doze through that as if it was power tools. I can sleep through power tools. But if somebody has a TV going, I can't sleep through that, or a radio. I don't know what the difference is. One maybe is a more natural sound, and one is radios and TV is always something I guess we've been programmed to pay attention to. So I can't sleep when there's one on in the room. Um, I I got so much to do. Thank God Nancy looks after the house when we go away, because we come home, the house is clean, all the animals are fed, everything's good. Oh, and you are going to get a pantry tour. Why? Because she organized my pantry again, at least once a year. And although my pantry's not very full this year, I haven't done a lot of canning yet. I still have my tomatoes to do. I still have other things I want to get done. But no, I haven't done a lot of canning this year. I got beans, I got potatoes. I got stuff from last year, and I'm going to have to can some meat and stuff like that. I don't know if I mentioned it, you are going to get videos later this week. Still videos from our holidays. Let me know if you want to see. Well, what I might do is I just might make a collage of our vacation, with just scenery, like the lift locks and how the other locks work and the racetrack and all that stuff, because that stuff can be boring, but if you put it together properly to music, it's probably going to look. So maybe a synopsis of our vacation, because you've gotten quite a few videos. Thank goodness. I've had 6 gigabytes of data on my phone this whole time, didn't even know it. Okay, this is how out of touch with technology I am. I had no idea what tethering a mobile hotspot to my phone was so that I could use my laptop. That's my new keyboard. Yay!
Found your shoes.
Oh, you found them? Was it under the slide?
Found your ring.
Oh, my sweetgrass ring. Where was that?
On the floor.
I got this at the farmer's market. It's just a small braid of sweetgrass that's been wired together at the end, and I just love it. But of course, it's not something you can wear when you're washing dishes and stuff. So I had to take it off. So thank you, dear. Did you bring in Salty?
Yeah, she's in the dirty clothes basket.
Okay. Salty's my pink Himalayan salt lamp. I'd like to get one of those pink Himalayan salt plates that you heat up and then you grill stuff on. I've heard those are really, really awesome. I'd like to check more into those. But it's fall, so there are going to be some more. I'm going to be doing some more canning. You guys have seen me can tomatoes, so I don't know if you want to see it again, but I'll do it again. There's really not a lot going on at the moment because, well, as you can hear the roosters, next weekend, one way or another, those puppies, the roosters, are and getting pressure cooked and canned. Pressure cooked and canned. So I'll be making broth and all that stuff. There was something else I was going to say. I forget. That doesn't mean they don't have stuff to say. So with I had to phone my service provider from my phone and ask them how to tether my laptop to my phone. Now, if I can do that with this computer, and I could probably do 2 live streams a month and hopefully get better quality streaming. So let me know if that's something you want. But the thing is, instead of me just coming on and saying, hey, we're live and yada, 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 and then just talking, maybe some folks could come up, you guys could come up with some topics that you may want to discuss on the next live stream. Yeah, I'm really tired. I'm saying on the lot, I'm really tired. Because that would be really cool, that if we could actually have an open discussion rather than me just sitting here and saying, hi, how are you? And answering questions and stuff. Maybe we could have topics of discussion, just not politics, folks. Okay? Not politics, not religion. That's just stuff I'm trying to steer away from. Not that I'm trying to steer away from my faith. I'm not steering away from my faith. I'm just steering away from, topics that have a tendency to create antagonism, right? So anyway, come up with some topics. Come up with some topics. And for those folks who are subscribed to the Beverly Wolfie channel, where I read, I have 4 more chapters of A Tree Grows in Brooklyn. I just have to edit them and upload them, so it'll probably be within the next day or 2. Okay? This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, God, it's good to be home. Take care. God bless.